Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We are just listing this 2024 23 SPX. Storage here back in the stern. It folds down to create a nice swim platform. The boat's powered by Mercury 200, very low hours. Tons of seating, captain's chairs, a very large storage compartment in the floor. The anchor I don't think has ever been used. The boat's in exceptional shape. Got the Simrad unit in the dash. Nice storage area over here, and also you have the head compartment, which has never been used on this boat. The bow block-off door, storage compartment in the forward. This boat does have the covers that go all the way around, one for the bow and one for the cockpit. Anchor storage in the front. The bimini top on this boat. It does have the sea deck snap in here, and then also the sea deck on the stern as well. This boat has the built-in battery charger. The battery switch is right here when you come on board the boat, so it's easy to get to. All the cup holders are lighted, so at nighttime, really nice cup holders everywhere. So give us a call. This 2024 23 SPX from Sea Ray. Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah. Thank you.